Let's make some cheesy garlic tahong. First, boil your mussels with some salt. Let them cool and set them aside once cooked. For the cheese sauce, you will need a little amount of oil, butter, garlic, evaporated milk, and cheese. Mix it well and let it simmer until the cheese is melted. Put your cheese sauce on top of your tahong. This part is optional. I also added fried basil leaves on top of the cheese sauce. Bake your mussels for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is browned. Mekeni, manganta na po!